Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you how to construct triangle. Before construction of triangle, let us recall the rules for congruency of triangle. We will construct the triangle by using these rules only. Triple S, that means when all the three sides of the triangle is given. ASA means two angle and one included side is given. SAS when two side and one included angle is given, and RHS when right angle, hypotenuse and one side is given. Let us see how to construct a triangle when two side and one included angle is given. Let us see an example. We have to draw triangle ABC with AB is equals to 6 cm, BC is equals to 68 degree. Angle B is equals to 68 degree and BC is equals to 5 cm. To draw this triangle, first of all, you need to draw the base AB of 6 cm. Now with the help of protractor, draw an angle 68 degree at the point B. Now you have to draw the line segment of 5 cm from B to C using ruler. Now join A to C to complete the triangle. Your triangle ABC is ready now. Now how to construct the triangle when two angle and one included side is given. Let us see with an example. Construct a triangle ABC with AB is equals to 10 cm, angle A is equals to 35 degree and angle B is equals to 115 degree. To draw this triangle, first of all, you have to draw the base AB of 10 cm with the help of ruler. Now using protractor, draw the angle 35 degree at the point A and angle 115 degree at the point B. These two, whenever you will draw these two angles, the lines of these two angles will meet at a point. Just name it at C. This way your triangle ABC is ready. Now how to construct the triangle when all the three sides has been given. Let us see an example. Construct a triangle ABC with AB is equals to 4 cm, BC is equals to 3 cm and AC is equals to 5 cm. To draw this triangle, first of all, we will have to draw the base AB of 4 cm with the help of ruler. Now use a compass and stretch it out to a length of 5 cm. Put the compass pointer at A and draw an arc above the line AB. Now again take the compass and stretch it till 3 cm. Put the compass pointer at B and draw an arc to cut the drawn arc of the line 5 cm. You will get the point C. Now join A to C and B to C to complete the triangle. Now how to construct the triangle when right, hypotenuse and side is given. Hypotenuse, I hope you remember hypotenuse, the longest side of a right angle triangle, which is just opposite to the right angle. Let us see an example. We have to draw a triangle ABC with AB is equals to 5 cm, angle B is equals to 90 degree and AC is equals to 7 cm. To draw this triangle, first of all draw the base AB of 5 cm with the help of ruler. Now construct the triangle, construct an angle of 90 degree at B with the help of protractor or with the help of compass. Now open the compass to 7 cm, put the compass pointer at A and cut the drawn perpendicular at the point C. This and join point A to C to complete the triangle ABC. I have explained all the ways to draw the triangle. Now practice it to be yourself perfect. Okay, bye bye.